See it now? The man put me out. Which part me I gotta go? Me have to go back around a board villa around my mother yard. And now what day me I run my mouth pa my mother and I tell her so the little piece of man where she have in her house a sleep out her mattress need for upgrade her and take her out her dirty board villa. And see it now? I right round the mega end up back. Chan star. I wonder if I could have called Pinky and go on a Pinky yard just there. But then again, that never makes sense neither because next thing you know, I got go on a Pinky yard and fear like a freaky man come draw for me. And that is another set of embarrassment that I can't deal with right now. Can't deal with the more embarrassment right now. I put myself through enough. So I better me just go and back around about if it like I go easy back with my mommy, huh? I'm ashamed for go back around the boat. What me I go do? Hello, mommy. Mommy, just listen to me, man. Just listen. Nobody say a word. Just listen. Hear me, I say. You know, I want a place to stay for a few days or probably for a few weeks. Me and Brendan now, you know, one good place right now. Me and him kick off and him tell me say me have to live in place. So, I just want a place to stay until me and him can work out back things. So you say me can come around a boat villa like a link, you know? Alright, mommy, me I come. Me never know how me I face all of them girls around about villa, you know, what me used to hype on. How me I explain all of this to all my mother. I just left from a certified hot girl to a real old Muckaz. Me shame like a dog. Look for me. Hot Ashley. Come back around a broad villa.
Yo, Ashley. Ashley. You in the house, yeah? Ashley. If you ain't try answer me, no girl. Oh, me not get no answer. That means I should get the memo and lift up out of my place quick and fast. Because me no want to see back that wicked girl then nowhere near me. Furthermore, mommy, I got take a walk around and steal shan still. I got tell them say me nobody want to lay no charges against Baradan and the boy tuggy, you know. We have a whole different plan for them, man. Have a whole different plan for them.
Okay, my son, me understand. Leave all vengeance to the Lord. I will be praying for you, my son. In a way, when you come back, you might not see me. I go run at the church service. I remember to stay off your feet and just get some rest and take your medication as prescribed by the doctor. Okay, Brandon? I'll make sure to come in and check in on you later when I get off from church. And I'll also bring some food for you, okay? I'll see you later.
Leave all vengeance to the Lord, no? Me understand you still in a mommy. And me love and respect the Lord. But this time, no disrespect, Father God. But vengeance is mine. Yo, country, Wagwan. Me, man, Brandon, man, from all that, sir. But I deal it. The general, the round at the ends there, you know me need for all our serious reasoning with the general, though. Just make the general know, say Brandon there out there want to talk to him. You hear that?
Yo, Brandon, Wagwan. So where a youth like you are the round panda ends, yeah? Strange for see a face like yours. From a left primary school, me never see back a man like you because everybody have to just hold them ends. You still over there, sir, we still over here, so you don't know the gangster word set. But the reason why we never to a rush right now still. Because we know say you're a good youth. But anyway, I'm gonna make the general know say I link him still. But it just strange to see a man like you upon the ends, yeah. I hope everything alright still. And watch your head back when I leave. Because some of the dogs, them not too know you like that. So mine I get your head back, lick out. Yo, my General Jigo. You know say I lick a object up on the front I say more will a reason with you. I lick a object from across the freeway when named Brandon. Say more and give a reasoning still. Brandon a good youth still is not no check to a thing still nor nothing but you don't know. Them boy that come from over this how we live over here so. Still not take no check. So me just a check with the general still to see if the general want for all a reasoning with him or what.
Yeah man, country man, you can't send him round man. Brandon a good youth. And from me see them man they come cross on the ends and must something make Brandon come round here. Why hear him officers? I send him round. Make sure you search him for still. And make sure say him not strapped nor nothing, cause you don't know even do a good youth. Still can't trust nothing from cross the free. Because you don't know say the boy better than. Never up to no good and I'm friend. So make me hear what him I say. Send him round.
Yo, my General G, go on. The know say me just there come give a link on a small pre-do. I know the most here in the underworld still were going with me. I know the most here say a boy better than set me up for a boy shot foot and the boy tuggy shot me. Yeah man, so I just want floating upon the ends. Come give a small reasoning, cause right now I take more and take it to the street, hot-headed. Take more and take it to the street and show them boy that the real art of war. Show them boy they say, yo, Brandon is not no like a soft soak. Him just choose to walk the straight and narrow for a specific reason. But once a man decides him I go come kill half of me, my dad, me have to defend that. Alright, now me know say, me are the best way for you get to them. So me offer myself to you right now. All me need from you is a strap and some support. And me I got take it to them boy there and show them what time it is. Furthermore, when time I left you saying a general and done reason with you, I station me I go. Me I tell the police them say me not press no charges. Me I make them know say me never see nobody, nor nothing. Because right now, me not get cold and corrupt against the whole of them. And right now, my boss, I just your support me need and your backing. If you go take it to them the real way.
What you say to me, Brandon? What you really say to me? You want to take it to better than and tuggy and all you need a my backative. Nah man, something right with this. Brandon, you know one youth were cut out for them type of thing. Yeah. You're not tough. Even tough crackers tougher than you, Brandon. What you talking about? Brandon, you better you go sit down somewhere easy yourself, man. Make the police them deal with this thing. What you talking about? Badness enough for everybody. And right now the badness, certainly, is not for you.
Yo, my General Gigo. Not disrespecting to you still, But me no want you take my thing for joke thing, I come round as a two for a reason, my boss. Yeah, man, me come link you for a reason. I know you wouldn't mind. Here's a better than head gets splashed out somewhere right now. And me are your best option right now. Forget that done. And if better than get taken out of the game, and you would have be the general we are run off the whole place. So think about it and make me know. Me alone can get close enough to them. So I want you trust me that way there. As I tell you, right now a station me I go. If you don't make the police them know so me not press no charges. Cause my mind and heart get corrupt. A badness the thing the right now, my general. No more like a innocent Brandon. No more like a nerd Brandon. Right now me I tell him my boss. Alright, that's what I think there. Badness.
So you're well serious, little Brandon. You're well serious. We see you come around now with a made up mind. What do you want? Me know how you feel is that this badness game is as easy as you think in a youth. It's a serious road this year I got trod pan right now. And anytime you take on the street, there is no turning back. It's a do or die game. Alright, I know my sister get ready for do. But you also have to prepare for die when you do. One day if you understand me, I try to make you know youth. Right I know, I got meds span everything what you say in the night here. Put a number in the phone here, and I go give you a link a morning and devise a plan. How my son?
Yeah man, my G, that sound like a better plan. But anyway, I can make a one shots go back on my block still a minute. I just lay down in my bed tonight and just meds the whole thing. So yes, when time you link me a morning, just know I'm ready to touch the road with my clips them load to execute the plan. Yeah man.
I don't know still but something I feel right about this. Brandon none of them type of youth there. Brandon a youth are cut off a totally different cloth. Brandon a youth are go home church, go to school, turn out good. Get all them little farm work what they ya. Go up on farm work, come back, have him like a girl around there. And them a take care of him mother. A good youth will never get in on a problem. So me don't know how the youth mind just get so corrupt Why him never just make the authorities deal with it? The police who deal with for him thing. Him shouldn't even come round to a man ends and talk about him one strap. But him have a good point still. Really want to get rid of a boy better than. And Brandon would have been the perfect man for me used to slap him with. But we just not feel right about that still. Me no want a youth like Brandon blood upon my hands. None at all.
Your Officer Brown, evening. You know some more will have one reason with you still. We give a statement to some officers earlier on in the day. But I have to take back that statement still. Because really and truly, whenever I really see who shot me, I just know say tuggy them did their own pan the ends and we just feeling on myself say them, but I'm not sure if I really them. So I never really press no charges upon the man like that, I'm not sure. So just do the necessaries. I never gonna press no charge. We don't want to deal with no court issue or nothing. We get the liquor shot, it fly through. Doctor said me alright, so I can just go and bill as it. Hope this not really mess up your thing. And I hope you not feel no too weird, too bad about this still, but alright, they say it there, officer. But now press no charges. You see it?
Yo, Brandon, how I really go on? I call you and check the hour. Because I know you know say boy shot foot can you up. I know you know say boy tuggy did it. And I'm certain say you know say I better than set it up. So the fact that you come my station and I try change your statement, you know, that's strange. Just make me know what go on, man. I call the boy them call you and I try to intimidate you and I check you. Just make me know where I go on, so we just got to deal with it. Because we need your statement to secure a conviction. And if you decide to change your statement, I walk the man them I go walk. And maybe when the man them walk, the man them come take you out of the game fully. So you have to be careful of what you are doing, Brandon. Careful of what you are doing.
Officer Brown, no disrespect to you still in my boss. But I understand everything what I just said to you and I know exactly what I do. I not press no charges against them, man. So if them have to walk free, I just saw the thing set, man. But I leave all vengeance to the Almighty Father. You don't know what the thing set. That my mother say, so that me I work with. Alright, officer. No disrespect, man. Just go on and enjoy the rest of the evening and just know say, Ghana God. Alright, my boss. Bless up. You know, my day I think long and hard, what could I really go wrong between me and Brother Dan for the man set me up for shot foot and tuggy shot me. Almost take my life. What could I really go wrong with me and the man? I sit down and I think long and hard, even when me in the hospital, I still can't come up with nothing that makes sense. Why the man would have set me up for shot me? What really go on? What could I really corrupt Brother Dan by against me like that? And everything we go on, I just be the bless up them man there. I be a treat them the man there, good and deal with them man there like I'm a brother. What could I really go on? What really went down? Why Brother Dan set me up?
Yo, Brandon, I a bad brother this, you know, badder than, you know. We are deal with me charge it.
Me there, I'm a bad brother. We are going with another day. All is well upon the ground.
Yeah, man, all is well, man, but hear the thing now. A little vibes are going with the boy them from down the road, you know. And you don't know, see, we are wall off the ends a certain way. But guess what, man, we kinda run short on some funds and we need to buy some can to full up in the belly of the wheel them, cause you don't know, we have to make sure say the ends alright. So we are do, you know, have nothing can send come give the bad brother here, so we can go buy some can for full up in the belly of the wheel.
Boy, bad bro, badder than. Me not really too deep on that type of vibes they still, you know. You don't know what my thing set, you know. I love and respect you as my friend because you don't know, so we grow together from we are youth until now. And you don't know, so me have your back with any other thing, but as it relates to the badness part of it, you know, so me not too deep on that, and I hope you understand where me I come from. Me can't get involved in that. Me can't there firing and I working at the coal so much. If send money come buy can to put in a strap. You don't know my thing better than I love and respect, but me not deep on that.
Jano Star, I saw the boy Brandon I pray. It's like that boy then a rate bad man thing in a Star. Imagine the boy they are foreign for 6 months and make good money, and man I beg him a thing for buy 2 can fees, trap them for protect the ends, and that the boy that said to me, watch and see where I go on and him come back boy.